In this video, I will detail how to enable double tap spacebar to add full stop in Samsung Galaxy keyboard. So let's take for instance that you are typing while using the Samsung Galaxy keyboard like this. Now you want to add a full stop to this particular word. All you just need to do, instead of typing full stop, or if the full stop is missing, is just to double tap the spacebar. You see that? That's going to add full stop automatically to the text. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down to general arrangement. Click on it. Now scroll down until you see Samsung keyboard settings and click on that. Now once you selected that, you want to scroll down a bit until you get to more typing options. Click on that. Then under more typing options, locate double tap spacebar to add full stop. If this is enabled, you'll not be able to add full stop automatically to your text whenever you double tap it. So let's go ahead and confirm this. When you see that, so this is only going to add spaces to the text. However, to add full stop to this text when you double tap, you need to come back here under more typing option and make sure you enabled double tap spacebar to add full stop. So if you go ahead now to the message hub, then double tap the spacebar, this is going to add full stop. Is that? So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.